In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Slack. This is a quick but important task, especially if you're switching accounts, handing off a shared device, or troubleshooting notifications. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and go to slack.com. You don't need any special link, just the main site. If you're already signed in, Slack will recognize you and either take you straight into your workspace in the browser or prompt you to select one. If you see a sign-in screen instead, that simply means you're not currently logged in and you're already effectively signed out. Once Slack loads your workspace, look toward the top of the page for the workspace drop-down. This is usually near the top left of the interface and shows your workspace name and icon. Clicking it opens a menu with options related to that specific workspace. If you don't immediately see the workspace name, widen your browser window or look for your profile avatar or initials, which can also reveal similar account options when clicked. The goal here is to open the menu tied to the workspace you're currently using. With that menu open, look for the option labeled Sign Out. It may read Sign Out of this workspace, or it might include your workspace's name. Click it, and Slack will sign you out of that workspace and typically take you to a confirmation or sign-in screen. That's your cue that the sign out worked. If you were signed into multiple workspaces, you're signed out only from the one you just selected. To sign out of others, repeat the same process after switching to each workspace in the browser. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. Closing the browser tab does not always sign you out. Using the sign out option is the safest way to make sure your session ends. If the sign out button isn't visible, try scrolling within the menu, zooming your browser back to 100%, or clicking your profile picture at the top of the page to reveal account options. If you still appear signed in after clicking sign out, refresh the page or clear your browser's cookies and try again. And remember, signing out on the web won't automatically sign you out of the desktop or mobile app. Those have their own sign out options. That's all there is to it. Head to slack.com, open your workspace drop-down, and click sign out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Slack account secure and organized.